Welcome to another edition of Bosch Solves. Today we have a customer who says their vehicle is running hot when the AC is on. We'll start with a rapid DTC scan using the ADS 525X or ADS 625X diagnostic scan tool. No codes are found, but we can still perform tests with the engine off using our ADS X professional scan tools. With the engine off, we'll do a manual test to override the sensor and command the cooling fan on the ADS 625X. We'll use Repair Source on Tool to find fuse locations and the MMD 540H CAT III Multimeter to check for power to ensure the fuse isn't blown. Once we confirm power, we'll move on to checking the cooling fan relay and follow the test procedures listed. Everything checks out. Next, we'll disconnect the cooling fan connector and use the ADS 625X to activate the relay on-off while using the MMD 540H to test the cooling fan power and ground. We see voltage at the circuit, which means the cooling fan motor is bad and needs to be replaced. We'll replace the failed fan with a Bosch Electronic Cooling Fan that provides sufficient flow at idle so your vehicle doesn't overheat while sitting in traffic. Back on the ADS 625X diagnostic scan tool, we successfully control the fan to confirm the repair. We'll do one final post-scan with rapid DTC scan to ensure no codes are found. Test drive the vehicle to verify it's running cool with the AC on, and then get it back to the customer. Bosch, the global leader in the automotive aftermarket, providing solutions for every shop.